Hello friends, today I am preparing a mouth-watering snack, Malai hot dog. So in this recipe I am using a very delicious and my all-time favorite, Abevia evaporated milk. So let's get started. So for this delicious Malai hot dog rolls, we need the ingredients are the mini hot dog rolls. Here is the cottage cheese, fresh paneer, red capsicum, then green capsicum. These are pineapple and chopped parsley. Here is some onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies and celery leaves. So let's get started. Now we have to put this 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of soft butter. Any butter, whatever you want, you can use. Once it will be heated, then we have to put little bit of ginger, then garlic, chopped garlic and green chili. We have to saute it first. Once it will be light brown, we have to add onions, saute the onion just for a minute, and then you have to add chopped celery. Now the onions are translucent, and it's time to add some veggies. Here is the green capsicum, red capsicum, we have to saute it just for 2 minutes. The vegetables should be crunchy. Now the bell peppers are well cooked and it's time to turn off the heat. Already chopped paneer, then pineapple. Pineapple we are just adding to give the natural sweetness, and just for flavor we have to add chopped fresh parsley. Mix it well. Now it's time to add some black pepper powder and salt. We have to mix it well. Now it's time to add our delicious ingredient, Abevia, which gives a very creamy texture, creamy and soft texture to our dish. And mix it nicely. So now the filling is ready and it's time to scoop out the mini hot dog rolls. You have to cut the top first, and this is a scooper. You have to scoop it out nicely. Now we scooped out our breads and it's time to fill the stuffing in this. This is done. Now we have to bake the rolls at 180 degrees Celsius just for 7 to 8 minutes. So I am going to put it in the oven.